I believe it's important that the young researchers and engineers understand Norbert Wiener's work because of the innovation that he brought and the way that he was interdisciplinary. And Norbert in his day, together with von Neumann, together with some people from psychology, really wanted to understand how engineering and biology could actually work together. And they were trying to understand how control and command worked. And they looked at the human body, they looked at the animal world to understand how that actually use control and command, and then we're trying to learn from there to see how to do better engineering. And that topic of how biology can teach us better engineering, I think, is critically important right now. So 50 years after his death, 120 years after his birth, the conference will basically remember his work, his legacy. And at this point in time, I think it's very timely because a lot of the things that Norbert wanted to be able to do and was thinking about can actually find reality now. And so going back over the groundwork that he has done, the ideas he had put forward, and allowing us to reflect on that and see where we got to and where the gaps are. He made some amazing statements. So one thing he said at one stage was that without an information theory for feedback, we only address the trivial problems. It's only just recently that people in the control theory have come to grips with asking even the question in that space, which he posed 50 years ago. And he had the audacity to say we only would be solving trivial problems. And it's quite amazing. But just now we're starting to understand how important that statement was. And I think for us to go and reflect on it and see what the actual legacy was is important. And I think that the conference will be able to do that, put him in the right daylight, put us what we have established, how far we have gone towards his dreams, and where we're still falling short, because still a bit of work to be done there, I think. What I would like to see coming out of the conference is that we can actually see the convergence of the field, the different fields that Norbert was actually important for. So where he brought the Macy conferences together, we had psychologists working together with information theoreticians, working together with electrical engineers, trying to make a model for command control almost, and for how animal behavior would come about. If we could see some of that conflux coming in the conference again and see where we got in there, and again see that conflux of engineering, social sciences, and medical sciences come together, that would absolutely be fantastic. But at least to see the progress we've made, the understanding of his legacy, and the next steps. If we could summarize it at this point in time, say 50 years after his death, that would be an absolutely fantastic outcome.